Successful millionaires like Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates didn't achieve their dreams by accident. What sets them apart? What traits do they possess that catapult them to financial success? We've got the inside scoop on the 10 characteristics of millionaires that you need to know about. Number 1, they are unique. Many rich persons possess a mindset and attitude characterized by ambition, resilience, and determination. They are often willing to take calculated risks, work hard, and persist in the face of challenges to achieve their goals. They are forward-thinking and proactive in seeking out ways to create value, whether through business ventures, investments, or philanthropic initiatives. While wealth is a defining characteristic of rich individuals, their uniqueness extends far beyond their financial status. Their mindset, attitude, innovative thinking, lifestyle choices, impact on society, networks, and commitment to growth collectively contribute to their uniqueness. Number 2, they don't look cool. They recognize that true happiness and fulfillment come from meaningful relationships, experiences, and personal growth rather than external displays of wealth. Leading a normal lifestyle allows wealthy individuals to focus on activities and pursuits that bring them genuine joy and fulfillment. This might include spending quality time with family and friends, pursuing hobbies, engaging in philanthropic endeavors, or investing in personal development. Some wealthy individuals choose to lead by example, by demonstrating that happiness and fulfillment are not contingent upon material wealth. Buffett lives in the same relatively modest home in Omaha, Nebraska, that he purchased in 1958 for $31,500. He has famously said that he doesn't need fancy houses, cars, or extravagant possessions to be happy. His simple lifestyle reflects his belief that material possessions do not define happiness. Number 3, their vision and goals already set. Rich individuals usually have a clear understanding of what they want to achieve in life. They understand that success and wealth accumulation often require patience, persistence, and consistent effort over time. They remain open-minded and agile, willing to adjust their goals and strategies as needed to stay aligned with their overarching vision. Rich individuals typically have clear visions and well-defined goals that reflect their long-term aspirations, values, and sense of purpose. Number 4, they give back. Many wealthy individuals recognize their privilege and the importance of giving back to society. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Bill Gates has dedicated billions of dollars to address global health challenges, eradicate diseases such as polio and malaria, improve education outcomes, and alleviate poverty worldwide. Gates has invested in innovative solutions to pressing global problems, including renewable energy, clean technology, and healthcare innovation. By leveraging their wealth, influence, and resources, they have the power to make a significant difference in the world and contribute to a more equitable and sustainable future. Number 5, they always have a plan. They set long-term goals that align with their aspirations, whether it's achieving financial independence, building wealth for future generations. Rich people understand the importance of financial planning in achieving their objectives. They create comprehensive financial plans that encompass budgeting, saving, investing, tax optimization, risk management, and estate planning. Wealthy individuals recognize that achieving financial success involves taking calculated risks. They are also known for meticulous planning and strategic vision. Elon Musk has demonstrated a remarkable ability to set audacious goals and execute on his vision, despite facing numerous challenges along the way. Number 6, they are generous. Many wealthy individuals possess an abundance mindset, which means they believe there is more than enough to go around. They understand that their wealth affords them the opportunity to make a positive impact and improve the lives of others. They feel a moral obligation to contribute to the betterment of their communities. Many wealthy individuals have experienced hardship and adversity on their journey to success. As a result, they develop a deep sense of gratitude for their achievements and empathy for those facing challenges. Number 7, they are passionate. Rich people have ambitious goals and are deeply passionate about making a difference in areas that align with their values and interests. This passion fuels their drive to succeed and motivates them to overcome challenges along the way. Passionate individuals are committed to excellence in everything they do. They are passionate about leveraging their resources, networks, and platforms to address pressing societal issues, champion causes they believe in, and inspire others to take action. This commitment to excellence drives them to set high standards for themselves and their endeavors, leading to greater success and fulfillment. Number 8, they hang out with like minds. Wealthy individuals often seek companionship with those who share similar values, aspirations, and ambitions. They are drawn to individuals who understand their lifestyle, mindset, and priorities, which can foster deeper connections and mutual understanding. Being around like-minded individuals can have a positive influence on wealthy people's mindset, attitudes, and behaviors. Wealthy individuals often share similar experiences, lifestyles, and challenges related to managing their wealth, navigating complex financial matters, and balancing personal and professional responsibilities. Number 9, they seek mentors. Wealthy individuals understand that learning from someone who has already achieved what they aspire to accomplish can help them navigate challenges, avoid pitfalls, and make informed decisions. They offer encouragement, guidance, and constructive feedback, helping their mentees stay focused, motivated, and on track to achieve their objectives. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder and CEO of Facebook, considered the late Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, as a mentor and inspiration. Zuckerberg sought Jobs' advice and insights on product development, innovation, and leadership, drawing inspiration from Jobs' visionary approach to technology and design. Mentors play a critical role in shaping the journeys and success stories of wealthy individuals. Number 10. They never give up. One real-life example of a wealthy individual who embodies the principle of never giving up is J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Before achieving phenomenal success with her books, Rowling faced numerous rejections from publishers and experienced personal hardships, including poverty and depression. Despite these challenges, Rowling remained determined to realize her dream of becoming a published author. She continued to work tirelessly on her manuscript, refusing to give up even in the face of adversity. Finally, after multiple rejections, her perseverance paid off when Bloomsbury, a publishing house in the UK, agreed to publish the first Harry Potter book. Wealthy people often demonstrate a remarkable resilience and determination, refusing to give up in the face of challenges and setbacks. These are the most common yet powerful qualities rich individuals are having. If we also took some of these traits on the road of success, we can get what we are dreaming of. I hope you love this video as much as I love making it. I wish you success in your financial journey. Don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, take care.